Tame the Wild's Easy Glide Beard Straightener will leave you with a great-looking beard from the comfort of your own home. No need for expensive products or barber visits. Just straighten your beard and walk right out the door. Great for beards of all kinds, no matter if it's coarse, curly, thin, or straight. Its anti-scalding insulated brush tips are heated rapidly and consistently. And each brush tip is ceramic coated for extra smooth strokes. The heat control lies in the palm of your hands with 3 separate temperature settings for your personal preference. And is connected by a 360-degree swivel cord for ultimate mobility. But wait, there's more. You can also purchase the Easy Glide Beard Straightener with an essential kit. It comes with our argan oil heat protection spray, unscented beard balm with beeswax, orange walnut beard soap, and the handy double-sided pearwood comb, which all fits snug in the water-resistant store and travel case. Now any vacation or trip can include a full beard trimming routine, all on the go. Tame the Wild's Easy Glide Beard Straightener and Easy Glide Beard Straightener Essential Kit are the perfect staples for any man who loves his beard.